like the sound of it. Lot of things that I ain't proud of it. Right now, man, I really like the sound of it. Oh shit, oh shit. These motherfuckers, you know, this how the shit is. Y'all niggas on my shit, list, come and get this. But I hit them like a joint, cause I done got no point. I said, y'all niggas know. I stabbing and rapping, I gotta kill these niggas, so I got them all, they clapping. I'm trying to find myself and these niggas is gon' help me. Fuck that shit, all these niggas staring wealthy. Let's get the wealth, nigga, I got my health. Nigga, you see me YOLO, nigga, I got the self on, I'm self-made, nigga, get on. I'll put you on to the dome, nigga, that Teflon. These days, my shit heat spray, and motherfuckers keep the delay, cause I can find keys, you ain't even searching for me, and I can find clues, I'ma fall blue, and give them a help, cause I don't give a fuck, nigga, whipping my belt, and nowadays, a nigga got me tripping, and everybody talking, but ain't nobody listening, so it's some things that I ain't proud of it. I really like the sound of it. A lot of things that I ain't proud of it.